Hi guys, so I just got my selfie stick today from Amazon and I only got this for 15 euros because it's on sale right now. So let's see how it looks like. It comes with USB. Oops. And here's the selfie stick, and the one that I drop over here, it's just the manual. So let's unbox this. Oopsie. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's more like this, almost size of my face. So this selfie stick, guys, have a remote over here. If you guys can see it, it looks like this. Yeah, over here is the power button, and right here is to capture from the camera. And I think that you can remove this. Over here, guys, you can remove it. It's so cute. It's little as my thumb finger. See, actually it's like just half of my thumb. Cute. You can pull it like this, like that, and yeah, you can put back the remote and take a picture. Over here, guys, right here is where you're gonna put your phone. It can be like that or like this. And right here, over here, you can also put your camera if you're using camera. And look, guys, what's in here. It's a selfie light. Can you guys see it? I've never seen a selfie stick like this. See, it's so cute, right? This will be good at night, mostly when you're traveling. And also over here, guys, you can lock it over here so that it's not gonna fall down, and put your phone over here like that or like this and make your selfie stick. And guys, this one, you can loosen this up to adjust your phone holder. It's so cute, right? Yeah. And also, guys, look. You can also make this as a tripod. Right? Let's see how tall it is. Wow! See? It's tall as this. I'm just gonna adjust my camera so you guys can see it. So this is how tall it is, guys. It's until my shoulder. And yeah, let's try to put my phone over here. So guys, I have a Samsung over here, the Flip 6. So let's see how it looks like. Yay! It can hold my camera perfectly. And I'm going to turn on the light. I really love it. Let's try to make it as a selfie stick. From tripod to a selfie stick, and pretend I'm gonna take picture or video. See guys, I really love this one. I am so happy with this purchase that I am going to dance.